Hello guys, it's your DIYer house husband here again, and in this video we'll be diagnosing what's wrong with my brake lights, because if I press the pedal, the brake pedal, the left bulb will turn on, will be working, also the center line, but center light, but the right brake light is not working. So we will diagnose that one in this video. So usually if I am diagnosing the brake light, if I'm going to check it, I usually turn the tail light. So if the tail light is working, then automatically the brake light is working. But it's not always the case, since in my situation, if I will turn on the tail light, the two bulbs are working. So let me turn on the tail lights. As you can see, I already turned on the tail light switch. So my left bulb is working and my right bulb is also working. So as you can see, my plate number lights, they're also working. So it's only when I press the brake pedal that the other one will not work. So the orientation of my bulbs, it's actually double contact, so we'll be looking at it. Okay, so we'll be needing these things to see or to diagnose the problem of our brake light. So I'll be needing 10 millimeter wrench. So this is to open the nut of the light assembly here. So we have two nuts here, so later I'll be showing you. And we'll also be needing extra bulbs. As you can see, my bulb is actually double contact. So it means that if this one is working, the other might not work, or it will work. So this one is either the brakes coming from the brake switch or the tail light. Anyway, these are the positive part of either the tail light or the brake light. Okay, so we will also be needing crimper. So crimper or scissors if you have some, connectors if you don't want to use electrical tapes, and then of course our test light, just in case the problem with our brake light is the connection. Okay, so in our brake light, since one brake light is working, then the brake switch is not the problem. So the brake switch is the switch under your brake pedal. So it's something like this. So this one, if you press the pedal, that one, it will turn on. If you release the pedal, it will turn off. Okay? So this is the brake switch actually. But in our case, I think it's not this one, since the other one is working. Okay, so let us remove the nuts here. So there are two nuts. So your model might not be the same with mine, but if your car is the same with mine, L200, then we have a similar nut here. Okay, and then slowly pull the brake assembly or the light assembly. Then let me show you the back part. I hope you can see it. So the top one is my signal light, the middle one is my reverse light, and the bottom one is my brake light. So just turn it, I think for me it's counterclockwise. This one, just turn it counterclockwise and then pull it. So there's your bulb. So before checking the connection of this bulb, I would like to change the bulb first, so that we can see if it's the bulb, since this one is the cheapest repair. Okay, so we have that one, and then this is the original bulb. It's halogen. My other bulb is LED, and I think this is 1156 if I'm not mistaken. The orientation is 1156 double contact. So also this one. So let me fit it. Okay, so you just push this one. There are grooves inside, so you just follow the grooves using the what do we call this, the like a marker there, that push it and then rotate it. I think this is clockwise. The same in removing the bulb. You just push a bit and then rotate it counterclockwise and then pull it. So if you're going to put it, push it and then rotate it clockwise. Okay, and let me turn on my brake light. Let us see if it will turn on. So just wait and just turn on. Okay, so I press the pedal and it's turning on. So you can see the other brake light there, it's also turning on. Okay, so I think with this one, the problem is the bulb itself. So this is the busted bulb. So the first contact is, I think it's working. The second contact, which is the brake light, is not working. So that's it. In cases like this, that your tail light is working and your brake light is not working, it may be the possible reason for that may be this bulb. So it's time for you to change your bulb. So you can just return this one, press it, and then turn it. I think this is clockwise or counterclockwise, depends on your view. So that's it. That is our tail light. So I think you will not be needing the other things like the crimper, the connectors, and the test light, since it's just a minor issue. It's just the bulb. Okay, so if you like this video, if you had something, please subscribe to our small channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.